Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhamad Haziq bin Masri. My Matric number is A19A0283. Today, I will present about organization development. In human resource, organization development defined as involving changes and improvement of the processes and structure that are part of human resource responsibility. This include process and system related to performance management, diversity, and employee wellness. The purpose of organization development is to utilize organization resources as a means to improve overall productivity and efficiency. There are some of objectives that outline in the organization development. First, to increase openness of communications among people. Second, to increase commitment, self-direction, and self-control. Third, to encourage the people who are the helm of the effort or close to the point of actual action to make the decision regarding their issue through collaborative effort. Fourth, to involve the member in the process of analysis and implementation. In this study of organization developments, supported with issue of organization development in the era of 4.0, based on article retraining worker in the age of automation, also obtain findings of advantage and disadvantage organizations development, challenge and barriers, implications and recommendations. That's all for me. I pass the presentation to Afiq.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Afiq bin Muhammad Puhad. My matric number is A19A0307. Okay, now I will explain to you about the advantage and disadvantage of organization structure. The first advantage of an organization structure is that every problem can be created more quickly because of the leader can discuss with his team to make the best discussion to solve the problem and can provide idea to improve the company. Okay. The second advantage of an organization structure can also improve operation effectively in a company. This is because organization structure has various branch and small teams. They can help the company ensure the smooth operation of their company. The third advantage is that used to avoid duplicate of work in each job performance. When employees are replaced within the scope of a job or task that are repaired to their field and expire, then they do not need to do a work of other. This is because employees already know the scope of their respective tasks that they have to go through. Okay. Among the weakness of organization structure is that there is conflict between employee and employees. This is because they do not want to get involved in the problems. The second weakness is the ambush of the power given by superior to small organization. Every company has small organization that aim to help to solve the problem that exist within the company at the stage. The purpose of this organization was created to help the company solve internal problem and also improve any anxiety shortcoming. Okay, the last disadvantage of the organization structure is the lack of creativity idea of each available small groups. This is because small group of organization will have everyone and not idea available. That's all.
Thanks for the explanation. Next, I will present about challenges of organization development. Okay, before that, my name is Intan Shuhada Binti Azli and my matric number is A19A0585. Okay, challenges of organization development. For the first one is effective communication with staff. Good managers need to develop advanced listening and speaking skills. It may be difficult to maintain open lines of communication as your company grows. A manager fails to communicate effectively with their team about company problem or individual progress. Number two is leadership, about absence of clear direction. Lack of direction is one of the most common organizational problems according to recent survey. Too many functions and individuals lack an understanding on how they fit or why they matter, it says. Number three is workplace environment. An unhealthy working environment is one that is characterized by ineffective or a negative communication. It can lead to low employee morale, high employee turnover, declines in productivity and work quality. Management can be also affected by an unhealthy workplace and contribute towards it. Number four is failure to develop key competencies and behaviors. Leading and managing an organization is a complex task that requires a unique mix of skills. Nearly everyone we meet, including senior leaders, has at least one and in some cases multiple leadership weaknesses. Leaders have to utilize their natural strength, but they also have to search relentlessly for ways to close their own performance gaps. Okay, that's all from me about challenges of organization development. Okay, last but not least is cultural barriers. Cultural obstacles can occur whenever a project involves or impacts people from different groups. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you. I leave it to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera. My name is Fatin Nabila Binti Amran. My number Matric is A19A0559. So today I want to present about the implication of organization development. Organization development involving several parties in the company that manager should take attention for these three, which is individuals or employee, groups and organization. For individual, they believe on their personal growth. Most people will strive for personal growth and development if they are given a supportive and challenging environment. For group, they dealing with the group various assumptions about the value of working in a team and managing team culture effectively. For organization, it can adopt a win-win strategy for sustained growth. I will present for the next part, which is recommendation of organization development. We must identify the change. Second, determine the impact and who will be affected. Third, develop a communication strategy, provide training, and implement a support plan. When the company identify the change, it can increase morale among workers and drive positive team building and job enrichment. For determine the impact and who will be affected, manager should go over each department and check whether the change it affect among the workers. For develop a communication strategy, it can bring in the situation analysis and the implementation of a social and behavior change communication. For provide training, employee may gain access to training that they would not have known for themselves. For implement a support plan, employee can feel more ease when they realize that the management in the company care about them and support the process. That's all from me, and I will pass for the next presenter to present for their part.
Okay, thank you to Fatin Nabila about her explanation and other presenter too. Okay, so I will conclude all the explanation about our topic, organization development. So, I am Muhammad Shafie Sharif with number Matric A19A0368. Will explain about the organization development in terms of conclude all the explanation. So, organizational development defined as a critical and science-based process that help organization build their capacity to change and achieve greater effectiveness by developing, improving, and reinforcing strategies, structures, and process. The, the purpose of organizational development is to utilize organization resources as a means to improve overall productivity and efficiency. These include growth, work process, product innovation, and employee development. In this study of organization development, supported with issues of organization development in the era of based on article retaining workers in the age of automation. Also obtain findings of advantage and disadvantage organizational development challenge in various implication and recommendation. A manager who cares about his employee will create a harmonious, safe, and comfortable work environment. This is because hazard can be avoided and reduce the risk of accident to workers. So, I think that's all for me. I was conclude all the explanation and our topic, organization development. So, thank you and see you in next semester. Thank you.